Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to fix one radiator that is not getting warm at all across the whole radiator, including the pipework underneath. If we check with the thermal imaging camera, you can see that is stone cold and blue all over, and the heating is currently on, as you can see by this radiator. It's nice and warm. So to do this, all we need to do is grab ourselves some adjustable grips, which I'll leave a link down in the comment down below. And what you want to do is go to this side of the radiator valve, which is called the TRV, which is the TRV valve, thermostatic radiator valve. And you're going to need to unscrew this nut here. So grab your grips, lefty-loosey, and unspin this nut here. Like so. And as you can see, that pin there, just here, is all the way down. So that means the washer inside this is pushed all the way down, not allowing any water to flow into the radiator. So what you're going to need to do is get your grips, put them on the smallest setting possible, like this, so you can grab hold of the pin just here, and you want to slowly turn it left and right and give it a slow wiggle up, and it should pop up just like that. With that popped up, I can already hear the pipework creaking and the radiator is instantly warm. So as we check for our thermal imaging camera, you can see the heat already coming through the radiator and rising up to the top of the radiator, across, and it's just starting to creep down this side. As you can see, this tail is completely cold, but here comes the heat slowly down. You can actually feel it with your hand that the heat is there, and now that radiator is nice and toasty warm. And that is how you quickly fix one radiator that is totally cold. I hope this video has helped. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. The link down below to all the products needed to get this job done. But I've been Wallace Plumbing, and I hope this video has helped. Take care.